Welcome to the Event Designer Workshop. Today we'll be doing our floral centerpiece tutorial using the colors white, orange and green. We will be using the gold circle 20-inch centerpiece and we will be attaching florals to it. So I'm going to show you this technique. So now we'll be attaching some florals to our gold ring vase. We'll be using our clippers, a pair of scissors, some pipe cleaners, as well as a pool noodle. So let's cut our floral here. We usually cut it to the very end so we can use these florals for another centerpiece. Some florals do have a plastic attachment to it, so we're just going to snip it around the stem and slide it out. And I usually add some additional leaves and greenery to flowers that does not have any, so you simply slide it in and we're good to go. So let's measure our pool noodle around the ring vase and then we're going to cut the desired length. Now we're going to snip along the pool noodle to create an opening. Now we can attach the pool noodle to the gold ring vase. So ensure it's quite snug and position it around the gold ring to suit. To ensure it's secured, I'm going to use my pipe cleaners here. I usually twist it about 2 or 3 times. Of course, you can use any type of wire or strap tie here. I'm going to attach my florals to the vase as well. I usually bend it a bit, seeing that it's a round vase. And to attach this, I'm going to use a pipe cleaner. That's okay if it falls, I'll secure it to the bottom as well. You can add as many pipe cleaners as you like to ensure that the noodle is secured onto the gold ring. Feel free to adjust your florals to suit. I'm going to now add some orchids, white orchids, to the other side of the gold ring, using pipe cleaners as well to attach it on. Now I'll be adding in my hydrangeas. I usually start down the middle, but you can start anywhere you like at any position. Simply randomly place these florals around the pool noodle. I'm just going to attach some more orchids to the bottom. Just simply slide it into the pool noodle as well. I'm going to add another piece here. Alright, looks good. I'm going to add some orange florals. I did add additional leaves to these florals so that it can help us to fill out our floral centerpiece as much as possible and cover that pool noodle. So I'm going to randomly be placing these orange florals on both sides of our vase here. These are a lighter shade of orange. I'm just going to put it randomly in between the darker oranges that I just placed. Now we'll be adding in some fillers. You simply add it in between any areas where you're seeing the pool noodle. You simply add it in there just to cover it up a bit. Add in our greenery. I'll add this in at the bottom here just by sliding it into the pool noodle. And now I'll be adding my white florals. randomly as well in between the oranges that I just placed. Adding in some greenery. I'll be adding in some white florals here as well, seeing that we are seeing a lot of the pool noodles here. Just to cover it up. So if you're seeing pool noodles to the very bottom of this vase, that's fine. We are just going to cover the areas that will be seen. Ensure that our guest will not be able to see the pool noodle at the bottom. So continue to put in your fillers as you see fit. So once you're satisfied with this look, you are good to go. Thank you guys for watching our Gold Ring Floral Centerpiece tutorial. We will be posting event decor related videos every week. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new video.